Oh my God, black level, look.
Is that Wade? Let me talk to him.
Don't call me or
You pick up. New TV.
No LED, man.
A little bit of update here. A lot of upgrading. Don't mind the mess. Let me open this bad boy. Alright.
I want to pay for me in the real world. They gotta be coming after you, so wherever you go.
Manual. Like always.
Sorry about the blindfold. My guys are all
R-14S.
Say that again.
Back.
My guys are a little paranoid.
So pretty. So nice.
My real name is Samantha, but yeah. I'm Martin. Those two.
Thank God I had that box in there.
Welcome to the rebellion.
One.
Wait.
This grill doesn't come off. I don't know for some reason.
It does.
It doesn't. That doesn't come off. The other one does come off. This one doesn't come off.
That's not how I.
Sure? I think you have to remove the screw for that.
Yeah, if you want to, but
I'm letting this go. It's changing it all the time.
let's tell the speakers.
Next door.
I can see it go.
Around the
These
world.
probably I'm gonna put
It's all the same anyways.
right there on the wall. I'm thinking.
For the record, I'm not disappointed.
Wow, look at that OLED TV, man.
You said
TV,
I'd be disappointed when I
Upgraded
made
from
it,
the Samsung to LG
but I'm not.
OLED.
OLED.
I've lived with it my whole life. You don't have to pretend.
You just put that in too also. See the boxes all over the place. Don't mind the mess, guys.
Okay.
And the new Denon upgraded from the old receiver that I had. That's a new receiver that I have.
2,500 bucks, man. You're crazy.
So pretty much I'm gonna upgrade everything in the room to make it a better home theater.
See, if I hurt you, I'm
It'll
sorry.
be almost.
No, it's. Wait, did you just go?
Black level on that TV, man. It's crazy.
Did I?
I think you did.
Wait, I'm sorry.
Yeah, wait. Z.